So it's like I said, it seems as though Anthony is, liable to be more fair than Amber because he's looking for a fair distribution of the assets in the marriage. But hey, let's check this out.
I've been mulling over some things, and
Mhm.
I gotta be real with you, bro. You're liable to lose everything.
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 So when you say everything, what you mean? Like, what, my car? I can get
Your
another
car,
car.
all your assets, the house that you living in right now.
Really?
Yes,
So you mean to tell me that everything that I worked hard for before I even met Amber, she could get it all?
so you get it all, bro.
Really, is that possible? As we've researched before and we've seen that Georgia, is an equitable distribution state. I'm not certain about that one, but all right, I guess we'll kind of fly with this storyline because there's supposed to be some amount of separate property as to what's going on. But hey, if you say so.
Your business assets, them opportunities that you've been throwing me lobs on, you could lose that too.
Look, I talked to her. I talked to her yesterday. I told her that she could have that house that I bought her. That's hers. I'm not tripping on that. And I told her I wouldn't leave her empty-handed. So I'll give her something, but all my assets? Hell no. She didn't work as hard as I did to get all that. No.
Anthony, you
No.
told her, or did y'all agree upon that?
I told her she could have the house, and I told her I would not leave her. I'm not gonna leave my ex-wife empty-handed, but
So,
all my assets?
so basically, what you're saying is no prenup.
No.
Exactly. I mean, that's the question everybody's asking him. A wealthy man like you coming into the streets of Atlanta, knowing that there are girls out there who are looking for the bag and you don't have a prenup. That does make sense. Hey,
Anthony, you're gonna lose it all. You're gonna lose it all, cause that's not up to you. That's up to the courts. You're a black man in the system that cheated on his wife. Did you think about that?
Nah. I got some tricks up my sleeve. I'm not about to go out like that. I'm good. Brother, I appreciate you, but
Bro,
I've been fighting all my life in business, and this marriage is no exception, bro.
I hope so. I hope that you're actually willing to fight this one out because Shania say you put yourself in a world of trouble in all of this, dealing with Shayla and messing with Shayla. So, I mean, you must have kind of seen this, but hey, I don't know. Hey,
Uh, nah, I'll be all right.
I'm
She's
just
not gonna
being,
get all my stuff. Nah.
I'm just being real with you, man. I just need you to think about this. I know I'm not practicing law, but I know the system. And according to the courts, you can lose it all. Everything. Everything, bro. Think about that.
I know the courts, but I also know Anthony Dog. I don't lose.
well, let's hope so. I mean, I think you're gonna lose in the context of, in the context of divorce. I don't believe that. No, you're gonna actually win this one because in the context of divorce, she really does have good growth as to what exactly has happened. As far as the lose it all, I don't know what the lose it all meaning. What, in other words, all of his assets go over to Amber. I don't know about that happening. I don't know about that happening at all. I think that's a stretch into everything, which is why it's good that you listen to these, but you kind of do the research on them nonetheless. you know, um, but it would be interesting. It would be interesting if he actually does lose it all. How does the character navigate that? How does Anthony Dalton navigate that? Then with Shayla having on the line at that point, Shayla would get nothing in child support because hey, he has no money at that point in time because the ex-wife took it all. So that's quite interesting. That would be quite interesting. The thing now is that will Amber actually be fair in her negotiations? And that's why I've been asking who you think is going to liable to be much more fair in the negotiation of things, because it seems to me like Anthony is proposing to be much fair. He's trying to say, all right, here we know. I want to keep exactly what I've worked for, or I want to keep most of what I've worked for, which is a fair proposition. If you work for it and you had it from before, that understand that. As I said before, the things in the marriage, those can be divvied up. But hey, let me know what y'all think of this, of Shania's statement here that Anthony will lose it all. Let me know what you think. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm going to talk to y'all soon.